And the fight we, and the more we rise. Mama try to chase on us. More life, more life. More life, more life.
Reaction.
Boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction. Back in for another video for you guys. Right now I have Davy Marley. You see me as a song called More Life. Official music video. Guyana. Wagwan. Lucky reaction boss in full effect. Please leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already subscribed. You understand what I say? We're on the road. This is the reaction channel. So if you see the subscribe button red, touch it right now. Right now this video is sponsored by Rockwell Innovations. CEO, big up on yourself as me as I so Wagwan right now. Davy Marley, I go so Wagwan people around. Lock in, run tune. Alright. More life. Pause. Everybody have them red cup and John, no, I'm not left the setting now. We're not leaving the setting now. We're not leaving the setting now. Because I have everything in the but we know what? Level the vibe. Yeah. More life, fast. Let's get the message already. I feel the hustling, I feel the youth, them what the way I 5 feet, I try and make it out there. And that we get from my singer. As me, I say, so far I just start. Make it so it's a one. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Pause, remember that part because the boy them get vexed because them girl want to see me. The reaction boss a joke. Go on. Really? Alright, why you part about the Bible? Yeah. You heard that? Yeah. 3D. Y'all wanna see we? Mama, dry tears. Mommy, dry tears from your eyes right. Just say so, mommy. All of the mothers of me are watching right now, young, old. Just say so. And if you don't cry, just say so. You see me, I say, your son must make it out there. Or your youth must make it out there. Your daughter, your son, anybody you have, girl or boy, just pray the future. I want to go under your style. Just pray the future. You must make it. Go on. More life. Them don't want to see man happy dog. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, you about the verse I like? That verse that's a chop up place. Go on. Not that's all. You do the mess and clean it up. You see me I say? Yeah, we just do it. Another Nike. And I see why I go on. Run tune. Yeah, I can mute the bumblecly thing. Run. Yeah. Wavy, see shirt there? I don't say in every song now, we don't have to catch a chorus, so I'm not trying to catch a chorus. Guys, if you love our song, you see me, I want to go check out the song for the service. The link will be down below in the description of this video. Also being pinned in the comment section. You see me, I say go get a listen for yourself, run up the number, stream it everywhere. You see me, I say everything down below description. Go check out Davy Marley. You see me, I say we can see what I go on now. Hold on. We rise. And the more them fight, we and the more we rise. Mama carry tears from your eyes. More life, more life. Alright then, oh, alright then. Hold it. Well, I'm not catch a chorus. And the more them fight we, and the more we rise. Mama dry tears on my eyes. More life, more life. More life, more life. More life, more life. Don't know what to be happy. Stop it. From a shotty. More life. More life, more life. More life, more life. And the more we rise. Mama dry tears on my eyes. Don't know what to. More life, more life. More life, more life, you know what to be happy. Stop it, just shot from a shotty. More life, more life, more life, more life, more life, more life. You have to catch your course, isn't it? Yeah. All you got to use believe on yourself. Okay. I don't know. Torture never stop. Wavy gang, big up yourself. I know that. God, it torture never stop. Big up the Wavy gang too. You don't know that already. You see me? But yeah, yo. It's been a boy Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I want to say a huge thank you all for checking out this video. And once again I say the link to the original site is down below in the description of this video. Go check it out for myself. As me I say, Reaction Boss I sign out, you know. Reaction Boss I sign out, you know. Oh yeah, this video was sponsored by Rockwell Innovations also. Again, big up on yourself, Rockwell. Yeah man, Reaction Boss. God. Okay.